Understanding transaction hash in cryptocurrency. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting topic from the world of digital currency: the transaction hash. Understanding this concept is crucial in the realm of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's dive in. A transaction hash, also known as a transaction ID, is a unique string of characters that identifies a specific transaction on a blockchain network. Think of it as a digital fingerprint. Whenever a transaction occurs, such as sending or receiving digital currency, it's recorded on the blockchain and given this unique identifier. A transaction hash is typically a long string of numbers and letters, created by a complex mathematical algorithm. It's important to know that each hash is unique. No two transactions will have the same hash. This uniqueness helps in securely verifying and locating transactions on the blockchain. You can use a transaction hash to track or verify a transaction. If you've sent or received digital currency, you can search this hash on the Blockchain Explorer, a tool that displays transaction details. It's like using a tracking number to follow a package you've sent. Transaction hashes play a critical role in maintaining transparency and security in blockchain transactions. They allow users to confirm that a transaction has been recorded on the blockchain and to check its details, such as the amount, sender, and receiver. And that's a wrap on transaction hashes. Understanding this term is key to navigating the world of cryptocurrencies. We hope this video has been enlightening and has made your journey into the English language and digital currencies a bit easier. Keep learning and exploring.